Introducing MX-110, a compact edge AI computing platform powered by the MediaTek Genio 720 processor. Designed for real-time AI processing at the edge, MX-110 enables intelligent systems to analyze data directly on device without relying on cloud infrastructure. With its fanless design, low power consumption, and industrial connectivity, MX-110 is built for deployment across retail, automation, and industrial environments. AI motion interaction. The first demonstration highlights AI motion interaction. Using real-time computer vision, the system detects human movement and responds instantly. This capability enables gesture-based control, interactive displays, and smart entertainment applications. Smart retail detection. The second demonstration focuses on smart retail analytics. The system automatically detects and counts products inside the refrigerator using AI vision. This enables real-time inventory monitoring and data-driven retail insights. AI post-detection application. Through real-time image analysis, the system performs human post-detection directly on an embedded device, identifying body joints and motion changes. This demonstrates the potential of edge AI in applications such as smart interaction, motion analysis, and human-machine interaction systems. Industrial inspection. The fourth demonstration highlights AI-powered industrial inspection. The system analyzes product assemblies and verifies whether components are correctly installed. Real-time pass or fail detection improves quality control and reduces production errors. Platform value. These demonstrations illustrate how MX-110 delivers powerful edge AI capabilities across multiple industries. By combining real-time vision processing, industrial connectivity, and efficient edge computing, MX-110 enables intelligent systems to operate directly where data is generated. MX-110 Edge AI platform enabling real-time intelligence for smart applications, automation, and industrial innovation. Edge AI, real applications, real-time